embarking on the most ambitious bake-off in galactic history to solve the Martian Muffins mystery. Let's gather the cosmic ingredients.
Galactic Bake-Off Martian Muffins Mystery. The galactic kitchen was abuzz. Chef Xylos, the greatest baker in the whole nebula, had answered the cosmic culinary call-out. What if the best muffin recipe wasn't from Earth, but from Mars? They announced, their metal chassis gleaming. This was the Martian Muffins mystery. The prize? Not a golden whisk, but a spot on the interstellar recipe scroll, a treasure map of flavors. The first step was research. To Mars, Xylos declared, spinning a giant holographic globe of the solar system. Sifting through ancient Martian cook scrolls, they found the list: 3 parts regolith flour, 1 scoop solar syrup, and the most secret ingredient of all, zephyr berries. Pip gasped. But Chef Xylos, what are they? Xylos smiled. They are not ingredients, Pip. They are concepts. Regolith flour is Earth's finest cocoa powder. Solar syrup is a generous drizzle of honey. They pulled out 2 canisters. Now for the zephyr berries. Xylos dipped a spoon into the pitcher of sweet, tart, orange liquid. Zephyr berries are a flavor of inspiration, they whispered. A dash of pure, sunny tangelo juice. It's the Martian joy of discovery, bottled. The mixing began. The batter was a vibrant, sunset orange, speckled with dark regolith cocoa chunks. Pip monitored the cosmic convection oven, its digital face full of numbers. Temperature rising, chef, he chirped. Crash! A tray of ingredients suddenly tilted. The solar syrup honeypot tipped, sending a thick, golden stream right onto Xylos's gears. A cosmic challenge, Xylos laughed, carefully wiping the sticky substance. Soon, the galactic kitchen was filled with a warm, spicy scent, part cocoa, part citrus, part mystery. Out came the Martian muffins. They were not brown, but a deep, earthy red, with a molten core of sunny orange. The taste test was immediate. Xylos took a bite. Their eyes widened. Pip took a tiny nibble. He let out a joyful beep. They taste like a sunrise on a rocky cliff, cried Xylos. They taste like adventure, Pip added. The delicious truth? Martian muffins didn't need alien dust or styrofoam. They needed a great recipe, a dash of creativity, tangelo juice, and a willingness to try something new. The biggest secret was simply inspiration.